Konnichiwa, Namaste. My name is Tenny, and welcome to the Learning Circle. Today, I'm feeling a little bit hungry. Let's see what's inside the box. I wonder if there's any snacks in here. Oh, what's this? A sock? I can't eat a sock. Let me see if there's anything else in there. Oh, wait a minute. This reminds me of something. Popcorn! Popcorn, popcorn in the pot. Sizzle, 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 sizzle. Pop, pop, pop! Popcorn, popcorn in the pot. Sizzle, 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 sizzle. Sizzle, 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 sizzle. Pop, pop, pop! Whoa! Whoa! Oh! Wait. Colorful popcorn. Red popcorn. And blue popcorn. Whoa! That's a lot of popcorn. Okay, can you say the rhyme with me? Let's go. Popcorn, popcorn in the pot. Sizzle, 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 sizzle. Sizzle, 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 sizzle. Pop, pop, pop. Whoa! That's a lot of popcorn. Good job. Oh, now I'm feeling really hungry. I better go get some real popcorn. Bye. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe.